Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix virtual reality not working here in Google Chrome. On the upper right corner, click the three dots, go to Settings, and under the Privacy and Security tab, go to Site Settings. Scroll down until you see additional permissions and scroll down again until you see virtual reality.
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
As you can see, sites are not allowed to use virtual reality devices or data, so enable that sites can ask to use virtual reality devices and data. So don't worry, it still asks for permission right now. And so this is very useful for VR sessions, like if you have games online that you're playing, or like you're discovering a place or in a website like that. Thank you and see you in the next video.